POS discrepancies are a huge headache. In this explainer, we're going to solve them for good.
So why don't your POS totals match your ledger? It's super frustrating, but the fix is usually simple.
Look, most of your sales are totally fine. It's the exceptions, the weird ones, that mess things up.
All right, culprit number 1, pricing errors. This usually happens when a price is just too low.
So here's the workflow. The cashier requests approval, and the key part, they have to hit refresh.
And you can do this for just one item or for the entire bill. It all depends on your setup.
Okay, on to culprit number 2. This is all about settlement and refund mismatches.
You ever see one sale show up as 2 lines? It's usually a split payment, like cash and card.
Let's break down the reports. Cash bill listing shows what was sold. Cashier collection shows how it was paid.
But what happens when someone picks the wrong payment method? Let's say Visa instead of MasterCard.
Easy fix, if you have permission. You just find the bill, delete the wrong one, and add the right one.
Now refunds, they're a 2-part process. The item goes to stock, and money goes back to the customer.
The golden rule for refunds? Follow the steps and make sure that final balance is always, always 0.
All right, culprit number 3, post-sale adjustments. This is where things can get really messy after the fact.
So, a sale's done, but the serial number's wrong. This is a big deal for inventory and warranties.
Again, with the right permissions, you can just swap it. Find the bill, pick the new serial, and you're done.
Okay, what if a customer wants an in-invoice, but like days later? The timing here changes everything.
If it's in the same month, it's a simple edit. But next month, it's a full return in a brand new bill.
So, how do we stop these problems before they even start? Let's talk proactive prevention.
This checklist is your best friend. Set defaults for customers, agents, and locations to prevent simple mistakes. This brings us to role permissions. Basically, who gets to make these important changes? By limiting who can make adjustments, you drastically cut down on errors. It's really that simple.
See, accuracy isn't magic. You just have to know how to handle the exceptions when they pop up.
And this really says it all. Good data isn't just about numbers. It's the foundation of your business. So I'll leave you with this. Are your user permissions helping your team or creating hidden risks? Think about it.